remove the upper soil layer and add some fertile soil. Install the drip irrigation system. Place the protective film on the soil and form rows. Buy strawberry seedlings and load them into a truck. Plant strawberries in the prepared planting holes. Trim the strawberry beds. Select the ripe berries and bring them to farmers market. We did a great job! The berries we've grown are big and sweet.